welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And on this channel, we get into a ton of Fenty Beauty, Fenty skin reviews, hauls, tips, healthcare advice, just the list literally goes on. So if you're into any of that stuff, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and be a part of the Vibe Squad. So today I'm getting straight into it. This is a new item that just released from the Fenty Beauty fragrance line. As you guys already know, Fenty has the one fragrance right here, which is the large bottle. This is the 2 ounce. It only ever came in this size. This is the Eau De Parfum scent, but now we have come with the travel size and I am so damn excited. Sometimes I don't want to be packing this big old thing, so Fenty said, okay girl, we got you right here. Fenty said she's here. You guys do not need to complain anymore, okay? So if you are a fan of this scent, which I am, I have a few, probably too many bottles of these, but I just don't ever want to run out. I need to keep it stocked. And yeah, this is one of my favorite fragrances, if I'm being all the way honest. As you can see, this is like my second bottle and it's already to here. So your girl doesn't play when it comes to her Riri scent, okay? I really love the musk, the blueberry scent that's in there. I know that a lot of people aren't huge fans. They feel like it's more of an auntie smell on them. And this one right here, which is the travel size, it is $40. This is what it looks like. So this is like literally your standard vial, your standard perfume travel size bottle that you would kind of get anywhere from Sephora, Ulta, anywhere really. I love this. It's so cute. It's very luxe. It's just as luxe to me as the bottle is. You still have that coppery bronze color going on, and as you can see, like they stamped the logo here and it says Eau De Parfum. When you take it out, you just lift it up and it's just a regular spray nozzle that you can take with you. This is 0.33 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters. There's not really much to say about this. If you've been waiting forever for the travel size to come out, it is here, girl. So run and go get it. You can purchase it on our Fenty Beauty site right now. Again, it is $39. Just be mindful, this is glass. It doesn't have any type of protectant around it except for the box that it comes in. So be careful with shattering and breaking this in your luggage, in your backpack. You want to make sure this is inside of something and not just hanging loose, because this will shatter. So I will be carrying this everywhere. And we have one of these right now and I need to go get some more. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to showcase to you that the giveaway is still going on. Once we hit that 2K mark, I am going to gift somebody a very beautifully packaged box of Fenty Beauty skin items. So if you want to be a part of that, leave your Instagram down below. Interact with my videos, talk to me, chat with me. What's up? What are you guys on? Introduce yourselves to me, introduce yourselves to each other. Let's just have casual dialogue and I will go through and pick a winner once we hit that 2K mark. So thank you for all the people who have already submitted. I see y'all. It has not gone unnoticed. I am getting back to your replies as soon as I can, but I appreciate you guys and I love you guys and welcome to the family. To everyone else, I love y'all, of course. Always have, literally always will. With that being said, I will catch you guys in my next Vibe video. Bye.